On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat sign up problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you wanna do next is wait a few seconds and search for Snapchat right here. When you search for Snapchat, or what you want to do next is click on the storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage here and disable the roaming data and the background data. Go back and now go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.